Okay, so it's not always the warmest in Michigan, but we do have some amazing evenings. The sunset back there is absolutely amazing. Another amazing and beautiful picture that God gives us. Isn't that absolutely incredible? Like, we can just look around in this world and find so much beauty. Like, God literally gave us a masterpiece. Beautifully painted picture. This is one reason why I love this property. It's because every day, every season, I get to enjoy this beautiful painting that God gave us. This is His painting, His creation, and He gave it to all of us to enjoy every single day. So sometimes just stop, take some deep breaths, and just look around and cherish everything that God gives us every single day. Because let's face it, even in the stormy seasons, there's lots of beauty in that as well. If you could hear the owls and the birds, I hope you can hear them. I think I heard a squirrel earlier. So much peace and beauty that He's given us. Just stop listening to the noise. Stop listening to the chaos in this world and look around. We've been given so much. Just wanted to share that beautiful view with you guys. Have an amazing Sunday. I'll try to pop on as much as I can during the week, which it's hard to do sometimes. But I'll try and get out there. Even in the chaos, take some deep breaths and look around to what we absolutely have. Have a great week ahead, guys. We'll talk soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every single one of you. Just listen to the peace and quiet. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.